Okay, we got a F-250. This thing is lifted up, monster truck. Okay, what we end up doing here, we end up installing the shock sensor to the factory alarm. So if somebody tries to bust out these windows, it will fire off the alarm. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that right now. What we did, we added it to the factory alarm because this truck already has remote start from factory and all that. So, you know, he just wanted to get what's missing, which is the glass sensor, because they already busted that back window and ransacked his truck inside for whatever they can find at night. So that's what's going around neighborhoods, checking door handles, busting windows, that sort of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on the glass, and that should fire off the alarm. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.